is the Week 8 discussion for Foundations of Math. And I'm whispering again because it's 10:30 p.m. But anyways, this week is the last week of this class. It's crazy that these 8 weeks have absolutely flown by. And I wish you all watching a very nice Christmas break. So in this week, we were to look through slides 9 through 11 from this week's Amplify activity, 6 degrees of graph theory, and we were asked to trace some of the graphs and make observations. Pick one or two of these graphs and share what we notice and what we wonder about them. So going to the activity here, we have slide 9 of 14, and we started with looking at these graphs and filling out the tables for how many degrees stick out from each vertice. And on my end, I did 2 vertices for each degree. 2 degrees for each vertex. And then what I noticed about that was that all of these are the same and they're all even. And that is also the same for graph 5 here. All of these are even, and that correlates with what other classmates have said. They are all even numbers. They are all even in number of edges. Yes, they are all even. Heading over to the next slide, slide 10. Look at graph 2, and not all of them are even. Some of them are odd, and that is the same for graph 4. Some vertices have 4 degrees sticking out. Some have 3, some have 4, some have 2. They're all ranging, so there is an odd number. So what I said in the text box are some are even and some are odd. And this also correlates with what other classmates said. There was a mixture of odd and even. And then just lastly, finishing up here on slide 11, let's see if we can go back to the graphs. Yes. So we have graph 3 and graph 6 on slide 11. And these were my table values. And I said the first graph was all odd. The second graph was mostly odd. Some even. And once again, that correlates with what other classmates have said so far. And so yeah, these are my tables for slide 9. This is slide 9. This is slide 10. And this is slide